Santa Barbara Baker with some tips on heat control for your Ooni Karu 16 pizza oven. Heat control really is, I feel it maybe is the most important thing for achieving your pizza making dreams. Really getting dialed with your oven on how to control that heat will produce the types of pizza you want, that crispy bottom, that leopard spotting. Knowing how to get the heat where you want it will get you there. With the Karu 16, we have a few different ways to do it. I have it currently hooked up with gas, no tank on here right now, but that's the easiest one. A knob up and down here on the back. It really cranks when you get up to full blast for sure, and that low enables you to bake some other styles in here as well. The Karu 16 though, the key thing to know is there's some other ways to control your heat if you're burning gas or wood or charcoal, which this oven can do. Importantly, there's a baffle inside the oven right here that controls the airflow to the chimney here. Important. This one, if you keep it open, I was finding my oven wasn't getting quite as hot. Closing it halfway for the style of pizza I like, it really made a big difference. Find it was retaining a little bit more heat inside, as well as letting some just the right amount out and letting me achieve that little bit longer bake time. You play around with that, it really can change your bake significantly. When I'm working with gas, I always keep the chimney vent here, this little knob you see up and down, fully open. You close this thing, it's gonna choke out your flame. Have it up, I find it problematic. You can start inching its way down with gravity. So I let gravity be your friend and have it all the way down. Where if you're working with gas or wood, you might want to play around with that some more. But I think it's a really cool thing that you can change up the heat control a little bit more in this Karu 16 pizza oven. It really is producing some pizza that I'm super stoked on. You can check it out on the Instagram and the YouTube. If you want to support the channel, check out the links down below. Buy one of these ovens or any of the accessories. I'm an Ooni ambassador and affiliate, so your purchases always help the channel. If you have any questions, let me know. Dough recipes, SantaBarbaraBaker.com. More content on the way. I love you all. One love.